Here are my 3 tips for picking a roofing company to partner with for your roofing project. Number 1, always go to their CSLB license page to take a look at their license. You want to notice how long has it been issued. You want to notice if there's any citations associated with the license, as well as what insurance are they carrying. Particularly look for liability insurance. Point number 2, how long has the company been in business? The best way to tell if a company does good quality work is to see how long they've been in business. In construction, you can't stay in business very long if the work's not good. So the longer they've been in business, the better the work is. And finally, you're just going to want to have to trust the person that you're working with. Inevitably with roofing projects, stuff's going to come up. There's going to be wood need to be replaced once we tear off. We may find additional layers and other things. You want to partner with a company that's going to be honest and transparent about the work that comes up during the project to have a happy outcome.